When we are safe, then that brain body connection clicks into one pathway and all kinds of things are possible. We get access to a part of our brain that's really good at problem solving, remembering things, sequencing, making decisions about what's the right thing to do. There's a whole part of our brain that's built to do that. And when we're safe, that part comes online. Boop, here it is. But in that core sensing spot, it also senses, "Ooh, I'm not safe." And it's a kind of all or nothing toggle there. I mean, there's gradations. Like once we're into the safe zone, there's gradations between like super safe, like all snuggled up in mama's arms, reading books at night, feeling like amazingly safe, to like, I don't know, I'm trying a new sports team. This is a little bit scary, but also my best friend's on the field. That's all in like safe zone. But when we click into not safe, I think this is really important for me on the ground when my kids are anxious and acting crazy. And I'm like, what is this? Why are we here again? I remind myself, oh, they're not safe. And when our bodies are not safe, when we kind of click over into that pathway, it creates a cascade of events inside of our body and brain that systematically takes things offline. Things like remembering what happened last time. Like, don't you know you've been to this gymnastics class 15 times? Like, how is time 16 so scary? Where's all that memory bank? It's gone.